Welcome back. My name is College Research Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and also today discuss about the mass property calculations. And this is my lecture number 28 under the subject of computer aided design. The mass property calculations. You can see the mass property calculation was one of the first features implemented in CAD/CAM system. The mass property is consideration according to the curve length, the what is your the curve, and what is your the curve length of your consideration, and this will be calculation during to your the mass properties, and cross sectional area. Suppose your the cross sectional area will be considered according to this, and you have to measure during to your the mass properties during to your the cross sectional area. As like as your the cross sectional area will be increases, then your the mass properties also will be increases here. And the centroid of a cross sectional area is considered, that like your the centroids, and in a few cases that like we have to consider, that is your the centroids, and the centroids of the cross sectional area is calculated. The surface area also will be in the surface area is considered some surface area, this just like a mass properties. Mass properties is considered according to the surface area, and also the centroid of a surface area is considered, that is your the what is your the centroid, that is your the suppose you have to consider the one surface area is taken according to your the mass property calculation, that first you have to require to know what is your the centroid of your the surface area, then you have to calculation of your the mass properties, and volume is the much more essential now for the calculation of the mass properties, and centroid of a volume. Centroid of a volume is the another sense is here, that is your the what is your the centroid, and suppose the you have to calculation your the volume, that means your the mass properties of here, that is centroid of a volume is calculated first, that means you have to consider that according to your the mass, and the center of mass always be calculated, that is your the you have to measure, so that is your the mass of your the system. Suppose a components also will be given, but these components you have to measure by your the mass, and another things you have to consider, that means your the center of mass also will be measured, and the first moment of inertia will be calculated, that like your the what is your the moment of inertia, but your moment of inertia is calculated, then first you have to consider according to your the first moment of inertia, and also the second moment of inertia also will be calculated, and that means the products of inertia. Another thing is that is will be calculated the products of inertia. That you can see, that is your the transformations, that is your the translation, this comes here during your the mass properties calculations, that means your the geometric transformation are used to modeling in the viewing models typing the CAD operating such as rotate mirrors, zooms, offsets, patterns, reverse extrudes are the based on this the geometric transformations also will be considered according to this. You have to find here that like your the translation all points moves are equal, this distance is given, that is your the given in a directions. You can see, suppose you have to consider, that is your the p star equals to p plus d, the x star equals to x plus dx is calculations is here, the y star equals to y plus dy, and z star equals to z plus dz. You can see that this will be the different surface, like as your the curvatures you can find, that is your the p is like that p is the given figure on this value of p is like that, that means you have to the movement of p to p to, that likes your the arrow is given, it is the p to p stars will be given, that is your the distance is d is considered, and here, and that likes your the p star is the another straight lines will be here, that like from your the origin to p stars, then this will be line is considered according to the p star line is find here, that is your the x axis, y axis, like as your the z axis will be consideration, that like your the transformations is here. And you can see that makes your the transformations rotations is comes here, that is your the rotations, these operations requires, and enter a center of rotation, that is your the and axis of rotations will be considered, that means your the center of rotation as like as your the axis of rotations that you have to given you can see the this is the one figure is here. This figure is given, that is x, y and z axis also will be imparts and in the figure, and during to x axis you have to find it, that like your that few distance is considered, that is your the x x n is here, that is your, you can see that like this figure is the alpha xn, and also that this angle is given, that like the alpha and theta angles, that is your the alpha is constant according to this is the p, the p like is here, that is your the distance from the x to p, that is your the y is the distance is coincides according to this. And again this arrow is given, that is your the p to px, and from origin to px you have to draw a straight lines, that makes your the y0, and this distance from the 0 to p dash, this will be considered according to the y is here, and this is your systems also will be considered the rotations, and you can find here that the writings in a matrix form also will be here, that like the x dash the x star, y star, and also the z star, this is first here equals to the, also the matrix will be coincides here, matrix is prepared, that like the cos theta, the first row column is here, that is the cos theta sin theta, also the 0, and second column is here, that is the minus sin theta cos theta 0, and third column is here, that is your the 0 0 1, and also the you have to coinciding according to here, that is the x, y and z is there, that is your the p star equals to r to p, that is your the rx equals to the first column is here, that is the 1 0 0, and also the second column is here, that is the 0 cos theta and also the sin theta, and third column is the 0 minus sin theta and also the cos theta is considered, and that is your the RAY equals to, that is your the first column is here, that is the cos theta 0 minus sin theta, and the 0 1 0, that is your the third column is here, that is the sin theta 0 and also cos theta, and you can find it, that is your the p dash p star equals to rp, and the point rotates about the z axis is here, that is your the, suppose your point is rotate about this the z axis, then x dash equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta is here, the y dash or y star equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta, that means the y is cos theta equals to, you can find here, that is like your the z equals z dash equals to sorry, z star equals to z, that means you have to point about your the z axis is calculated. You have to curve length is calculated, that means you have to the firstly discuss according to the curve length, the different curve, this curve is given on this figure, that like your the consider the curve connecting two points, that is your the P1 and P2 in space is considered according to this, that is your the P1 and P2 will be the first things thinking about there, and similar type of figures will be considered according to the x, y and z axis. You have to see in here, my friends, that is your the P1 and P2, you have to see here, that is the P1 and P2 is space points will be given, and also this will be few P1 equals to the few coordinates also will be given, and that point, and also the P2 also given another coordinates is here, and you can find here that the few length is calculated, that like your the curve length, this curve is calculations, that like your the del L equals to under root of a del x square plus del y square plus z square, that means you have to calculate, that is your the del L, the exact length of this curve bounded, so by this the parametric value, that is the u1 and u2 it's applied to open and the closed curves also will be considered according to your the curve length, that means you have to given, that is your the limits, the u tends to 0, that means your the del L by del u equals to the limits 0 tends to u tends to 0, that means the under root of del x by del u whole square plus del y by del u whole square plus del z by del u whole square, that is your the one equation is find here, that is your the dl by du equals to under root of dx by du square plus dy by du square plus dz by dy square is here, and also dl equals to x square, that means you have the x x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square and du, that means your the dl is du is the multiplied the whole root under root properties is here. And another thing is that means you have the L equals to integrations u1 to u2 under root x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square du is here. That means the L equals to under root of L equals to the limit u1 to u2, that is your the integrates and root over p dash into dot p dash, that is the du is calculated here. That is your the, you have to whole things you will be find that like that. That is your the curve length is calculated during to this way, and also also the mass properties is here. The cross sections area also will be calculated, the similar similar thinkings also will be find that is your the cross sections area is calculated. You can see this is a one figure, and will be figure is seen properly, and you have to x and y and z coordinates also will be given here, and you have to find that the small cross sections will be given here, and these cross sections you have to calculate it. That is your the what is your the cross sectional area, that like your the moment of inertia is calculated, and during to this times you have to calculate it during to your the cross sections area. The similar way you have to calculate during to your the cross sections area, the different properties also will be here. The cross sectional area is a planar region boundary by a closed boundaries. The boundary is piecewise continuous. Piecewise continuous will be here. To calculate the area A of the region, that is your the R, considers the area element, that is your the dA of sides dxl and the dyl is the here. That like the integrate over the regions will be considered is here. That is the first things is that the A equals to integrations, double integrations, that like your the R tends to R, that like the D equals to the another equals to double integration is here, that is the dxl dyl is considered. And also the centers of this the region is located that like you have to find, that is your the A is considered. And the previously is that the first you have to calculate the length of your the contour. Counter is given by this the sum of the length is of is here. That is the L equals to the summation of n I tends to 1. That means your the n and Li is considered is here. That means the value is length of considered, and if you C1 C2 Cn, that like you have to constant value will be considered according to this. The centers of these regions is located, like your the vector is considered according to the xc equals to, that means the centers you have to calculate with the centers, and also this is the three coordinates also will be considered according to the center points. That means your the x, y and z. Then xc is calculated equals to, that is your the you have to divide it, that is your the double integrations x dxl and dyl by a, that is your the you have to consider, that is you have to divide it by the this value by a, that means the area, the and similarly the yc equals to double integrations of the y dxl and dyl is here, that is your the divided by a. And z coordinates, that like your the zc, that means the z center is calculated equals to double integrations, that is the value is putting here z dxl and dyl by a is calculated considered according to your the zc, and this way you have to calculate it according to your the cross sections area of the area. And the surface area also is considered according to this. And a similar way, from the firstly you have to calculate the cross sectional area, and similarly we can be considered according to the surface area. And surface area of calculation is here, but you have to given a that like the cross section, and also you have to find that is your the different surface, and you have to consider what is your the different surface area, and what is your the measurement of your the surface area, and then you have to putting here that like your the surface area, like as your the area is maintained according to your the any type of surface. The surface area A of a bounded surface is formulated the same as the cross sections area is here, that is your the AS will be given, that is your the small area will be given, that is your figure, and this will be value is updated here. The major difference is that as that is S is not the planar in general as in the case of B splines or Bezier surface also will be considered. That's like you the already discussed according to your the previous classes, that is the Bezier and also the B spline surface, as like as the curves also will be also discussed previously, and then S equals to the double indication, that is your the surface is here, that is your the S is denotes to surface ds on ds2 will be is given here, that like your the your some area is considered, that like your the dsn and ds2 is coincides, that like the surface. For objects with the multiple surface will be suppose the any type of object you have to consider that like your the multiple surfaces available on this your the object. Then the what is your the considered according to your the surface area. Then you have multiple surface. The total surface area is equal to the sum of its individual surfaces considered. That means your the calculation as like as your the centered you have to consider, that is your the total sum of the surface area is equal to the sum of the its individual surfaces. That is your the S equals to the summation of I equals to 1, that is your the n, and the A is I is considered according to your the that is your the individual surfaces is calculated is here. You can see that is your the volume, and also will be very very important things that like your the mass properties, and this volumes will be calculated through the different equations is also here, that is your the volume can be expressed as a triple integral by integrating the volume elements also will be here, that is your the dV, that likes the dV, the horse will be considered according to your the dV, and you can find a figures also will be here, that is your the irregular shapes also will be considered according to this, and then you have to calculating this the volume of this or the shape of this object is considered, and again this volume also will be placed, and that is the x, y and z and the coordinates the on places you have to place there, and then you have to first identify the what is your the object is here, and again you have to calculate that like your the volume, and then you have to find that is your the volume, and also you have to calculate the another things that like your the mass, and that like your the area can be calculated from this your the volume. Then these things the triple integrals by the integrating the volume elements, that is the dV, and the dV equals to the triple integrals is considered, that is your the dV equals to, and similarly that is your the triple integral, that is the three coordinates will be required, that is the dx, dy and dz, and this will be coincides according to your the volume triple integrals will be considered. The volume, the Vm of a multiply connected object with this the holes is given by, that is your the Vm equals to V minus the summation of j equals to 1, that means to the m, and b is j will also will be considered according to this, and another thing is calculated that like your the centers of the area of the object is located by the vector RC. That is your the we already given these equations, and another equation is here, that is your the centroid of the object, the centroid of the object is located by the vector RC is considered. That means your the RC is that. Similarly, that like your the typical integrals also will be here. Triple integrals the R dV by the triple integral and also dV will be considered according to this equals to, you have to find here, that means your the triple integral v r d into v, and also the v will be coincides according to this, that means your the divided by v, and equals to rc, that means another things is calculated, the rc equals to suffix c equals to 1 by v, and the triple integrals that is your the volume, and the x or dv will be considered, that is your the three centers also will be calculated, the required for the three centers, that is the r x, y and z, that means your the x is calculated, that is the yc equals to 1 by v triple integrals the y dv, and also the zc is calculated, that means your the 1 by v triple integral z dv is calculated according to the different concentrators, according to the different volumes, and also your the centroid is required for your the this figure, and also the volume which will be calculated is here, and the mass and centroids is considered according to this. What is your the mass of here, that is the mass of an object can be formulated the same as its volume by the introducing the density is considered, that means your the you have to the considers according to your the mass but during to the required for your the density, that means your the dm is equals to rho dv, that means your the volume and mass and density, this will be these three things is the correlated to each other, that means the you have to dm is fine, that means your the mass the small quantity of mass equals to rho dv, that means your the small quantity of volume will be considered according to this. The integrating over the distributed mass of the object is considered, that means you have to integrate that parts, the m equals to the m that means your the mass and it denoted is here, the triple integrals rho dv is find considered is here, that is your the mass will be calculated, and assuming the density rho remains constant throughout the object, we have that is your the m equals to rho, the triple integrals v, the dv equals to rho v is find here, that is your the equations, that is your assuming and the rho and that means your the density is remain constant throughout of the out the object is here, and also you have to consider according to calculated for the centroids of that, and suppose the same sample and also the same formula as for volume, replace volume by the mass also will be considered according to, that means your the same formulas will be considered when you have to previous slides already discussed according to this, or the centered of this the volumes will be calculated. Similarly, the same formula is used for your the centered for the mass as like as here, that is your the rc equals to the triple integrals m r dm by m is find here, that like your the mass and centroids will be is calculated. You can find here, that is your the first moment of inertia is calculated, that is your the first moment of inertia. The first moment of area, the mass or volume is a mathematical properties that is useful in various calculations. For an alarmed mass also will be here, the first moment of the mass about a given plane is equal to the product of the mass and its perpendicular distance from the plane is here, that is so the first moment of distributed mass of an object with the respect to the x, y, that is the x, z and y, z planes are given here, that is your the substituting the centered equations we obtained, that is your the m xy equals to rho b zc equals to m zc, and m x z equals to rho b, yc equals to m yc, and also the m y z equals to rho b xc equals to m xc also will be here, that is your the m xy, the first things is here, that is your the triple integrals, the m the z dm also will be here, that is your the equals to rho by triple integrals v z dv is find here, that is the mzx or mxz equals to triple integral my dm equals to rho, the triple integrals v y dv is here, that is your the m y z equals to triple integrals m x dm, and equals to the rho triple integrals v x dv is confined according to the first moment of the of inertia is calculated. According to the second moment of inertia is find here the physical interference of a second mass moment of inertia of an object about an axis is that it represents the resistance of the object to any rotations or angular accelerations about the axis is find here. The area moment of inertia represents the ability of the object to resist deformations is consideration according to the second moment of inertia. You have to find that is your the I-axis equals to triple integers m, and also you have to calculate it, that is your the value of I square plus z square dm, that is your the integrate, the dm is here, and equals to the rho, the triple integrals I square plus z square dv is consideration here, and that is your the I-axis is calculated from this the here according to your the x-axis, and another thing section the y axis according to I equals to triple integrals m x square plus z square dm equals to rho the triple integral v x square plus z square, that is your the dv is find here, and according to z axis I z, that is the section z, and triple integral x square plus y square dm equals to rho triple integrals v x square plus y square dv is find here according to the second moments of inertia. The second moment of inertia about a given axis is the product of the mass and the square of perpendicular distance between the mass and the axis is here, that likes the second mass moment of inertia, that like the second moment of inertia. The product of inertia in some applications of mechanical or structural design, it is necessary to know the orientations of those axes that gives the maximum and minimum moments of inertia for the area is here. That is your the to determine that we need to find the product of inertia for the area as well as its moment of inertia about the x, y and z axis is fine. That is your the discuss about the previously, that is your the ixy and the ixz and also yz from your the mass during to calculate during to the mass of the mass of here, and during to 3 axis the ixy, that this is the triple integral m x y dm here, the rho equals and also the volume properties will be considered according to the similarly the I x z and also I y z will be calculated during to here. The mass properties of CAD/CAM systems is find here, and also the simple examples is given during to the SolidWorks during to the mass properties CAD/CAM systems is here. CAD systems typically calculate the mass properties discussed so far. Even a 2D package that looks your the AutoCAD and calculates some of the mass properties is consideration according to the mass CAD/CAM systems is here. You are responsible for setting up the correct and units for length, angle and density is find here. That is your the you can see that is a SolidWorks SolidWorks, and also the determine the mass properties is considered according to this, and also the during to procedures will be screenshots also given here. The during to here the properties will be prepared, like your the mass SolidWorks mass properties is considered. And another things the mass properties that like another SolidWorks will be given, and also the during to these procedures will be applied the how the mass properties of this the options will be given here. That is your the use the customer settings also will be here. That is your the decimal points also is decoded, just like the different density is given here, and also the during to this programs is required also option bottoms along to the set of proper units will be considered here. And another things is that like the mass properties the unique graphics also NX5 is given here. That is your the calculates volume, the surface area and also the circumferences mass, that is like your the radius of gyration, that is your the r is considered according to this, and also the weight, the moment of area, principal moment of inertia, that is your the products of inertia and principal axis will be considered according to this the mass properties is here. And you have to calculate it. Any type of mass moment of inertia, that like you have to consider according to the radius of gyrations, weights, volumes, all things will be required. And another thing is here, that is your the required for the 2D analysis, the calculate the display geometric properties of planar here, that is this function analysis figures after the positioning protecting them onto the xc yc planes will be here, that is your the wax planes, the true length, areas, space, etc. are obtained from your the mass properties in the next systems. And another things that like your the mass properties will be discussed in Unigraphics NX5s. And when the software analysis, then the selecting of what is the informations windows displays the analysis data. The following tables provide the brief explanations of the informations about this here. That is your the area, volume, mass, and the centered fast movements. Fast movements, that means the moment of inertia, that things will be considered according to the area, volume, mass will be here. The obtains the total free face area, the volume and mass of this 3D object is here. The centroids, and that is the fast moments, obtain the centroid of mass or the centroids, and the moment of inertia, that is your the obtains the moment of inertia for centroid. Certain 3D object of uniform density about the specific axis will be here. And second thing is that is your the product of inertia, that is your the product of inertia along with the moment of inertia from the inertia tensor, that means your the imports on the rotational dynamics also will be considered according to this. That means your the principal axis moments is here, that means your the principal axis moment is an orthogonal systems of the three axes through the center of mass, such as that the three products of the inertia relative to the system are all zero. And also the radius of gyrations also will be considered according to that, means you have to calculate the radius of gyrations, that is what is your the radius of gyrations will be required, that things the informations, the another thing is required for after consideration the radius of gyration. The few informations will be essential. It is a display that calculates data for all of the mass properties options previously discussed in the informations windows also will be here, that like your the relative error. Suppose the whole things will be required according to the your informations, and again you have to record for your the relative errors will be here. Are estimates of the relative tolerance as if in calculating the mass properties. Often the relative errors are less than the specified relative tolerance, indicating that the mass properties values are corrected to within tighter tolerance than those specified. If any, if only a single accuracy value is specified, then that is your the plus positive and negative range error are given here during toward the mass properties here. And also this will be given for your simple example of your the mass properties in this NX5 will be given, that is your the object is pivots. Okay. This will be now discussed according to the mass properties calculations, and also the next class can discuss according to the mechanism simulations and the interference checking CAD standards. And after all, this is the thank you, dear students.